Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, of course, we are going to be discussing more new releases that are coming out here soon. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
Okay besties, before we start, huge correction. I showed you guys on Instagram and I also posted it on my YouTube community post. No Speedy 25 bandolier in the navy bicolor. Huge mistake on my end. I should have already had my notebook set and open in place. But I want to tell you guys this. I was super excited. I made my own self excited. I made my own self happy. Only to go back and look at the video and notice the chain and leather strap. I put it in the video and I'm like pointing at it. I have my notes and I still said Speedy 25 bandolier. So huge correction. My apologies. It is coming out in a Speedy 20 bandolier. For me and for some of you guys, that's actually a plus because we love the Speedy 20, but I wanted to make that correction just in case you guys that love Speedy 25, the size, are looking for it and you will not find it, okay? So Speedy 20 bandolier in the navy bicolor. That's the size that's going to be released, okay? All right, so let me open up my notebook again so I can make sure I have everything correct this time. But I want to let you guys know this. We have 2 more cancellations, correct? 2 more cancellations from the Dolphin collection. It seems as if they just canceled all of the leather and monogram that was supposed to be coming out. I showed you guys in a past video, we had black and reverse monogram in the MM size from the Dolphin collection that they canceled. Here's 2 more that basically was leather and monogram trimmed, and they are canceling these 2 as well. But these 2 are smaller sizes, so I'm not a real big fan of the Dolphin in the smaller sizes anyway. But I'm looking at the leather and the monogram. I love that combo. So 2 more cancellations, and I heard a couple of Capucines didn't make it either. So that's it. But I want you guys to look at this. So we see a big wave that's coming through. We see that we're going to get leather mini bum bags. We also are going to get leather carry-all handbags. But look at this. Also the on-the-go tote BB. But what's up with this east-west size? In all of these handbags they are releasing. Now we have a Dolphin east-west that's coming out here soon. I have Dolphin prints in my collection. I have the Dolphin prints in my collection. We also know that the Marquita reverse Luke GM is in the Dolphin print as well. But why would they release this in the east-west and not give us the leather reverse monogram Dolphin in the MM size? Okay? But if you are a fan of the Dolphin collection, if you are a fan of that print, if you are a fan of the East-West, a smaller crossbody handbag, this might interest you. This is coming out here soon. So here it is. Me, I'm not a fan of it. I feel like they are really skipping out on big money when it comes to the reverse monogram print. So I wanted to show you guys this and let you know if you are interested. The East-West from the Dolphin collection will be here soon. Okay, besties, I want to go into this first. We are receiving a complete line of Epi leather handbags. You guys know recently I showed you what happened to my beautiful orange Alma BB in Epi leather. I still have a green Alma BB. I have nothing against Epi leather. A lot of you guys are like, yeah, the quality of the Epi leather handbags have went down. Guys, the quality of all of the handbags have went down. From Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, like if we're gonna single these luxury brands out by quality, let's speak on them all, okay? And this is not me standing behind LV, but let's just be real about it, okay? Let's be real. It's not just from Louis Vuitton. I hear so many issues with quality from all of these luxury brands. We are going to continue to buy. You guys know we talk amongst ourselves in the community, but it's not going to change anything. My thing is, if it can be fixed, corrected, I'm okay with that, okay? So, again, here's the Epi line. We are going to receive a Noe BB, and an Alma BB. The Alma BB in red looks absolutely stunning, but I am looking at the Noe BB in red. If you guys remember, I purchased a bucket handbag from Marc Jacobs in that beautiful scarlet red color, only to get home, do an unboxing, and check the alignment on the base of the bag, and it was horrible. I mean, the worst I've ever seen on any handbag. Took it in, only to find out all of them were made the same, and that's a big no-no for me, okay? But look at this Noe BB. I think it's going to be very, very cute. I cannot wait till it come out. We also have a Noe in black that's coming out. For you guys that's into the quiet luxury, I think this will be absolutely amazing for you guys. It's not screaming too much, but if you are a luxury LV lover, of course, you will know that it's from LV. So this is an Epi line coming out soon. Let me know if this is something that you are interested in. I think these are going to be very, very adorable. Again, we're not trying to purchase adorable. We are trying to purchase handbags that we are honestly going to use. And so I am looking at the Alma BB in red, and I am also looking at the Noe BB. I just really need to look at the size again, because I sold all of my Noe handbags. I don't want my bucket bag, and I'm gonna call it a bucket bag. I don't want it to be too big, and I don't want it to be too small. So that is something that I'm actually watching out for. So let me know if you are still a fan of Epi leather, and if you are interested in any of these handbags shown. Okay, moving forward, I want to let you guys know a pink collection is coming out. I only have this SLG here, but a pink collection like this is coming out. Once I receive more handbags, I will let you know, and more SLG. So look out for that. Like I said, this is very, very early. Some of these items are not going to be released until April, May, and June. So we are going into the summer with some of these handbags. Again, a new upfront leather in the color pink. A collection is coming out soon. I want to show you this. I don't know how you guys feel. Me, I've had a cousin before. I had the beautiful rose ballerine. I'm not even sure if that's the name, but it was a pink cousin. I had it sitting in my closet for an entire year, untouched, and I sold it. I just couldn't deal with it anymore. But we have another pink cousin that's coming out. Here it is. So for you guys that are pink lovers, I think this will be right up your alley. I am also noticing we are going to receive a lot more of the color pink coming out in various handbags as well. So here's the pink cousin. And with the cousin, I don't think no gold strap compares to what's on the cousin handbag. You guys know I am a huge fan of gold straps on any handbag. Any handbag. I'm not even looking at the guitar strap on the cousin. I'm looking at that gold chain strap that you can carry as a tote. You can take that guitar strap off, and it brings so much life to the cousin handbags. That's what honestly makes me want to go and purchase another cousin, only because of that gold strap. Oh my God, the gold chain strap is everything. I told you guys about a salmon color cousin handbag that's coming out. This is it here. This is so breathtaking. I absolutely love this. But look at the chain strap. They have a bandeau going through the chain strap. I promise. I did this. Same exact thing with the Marquita reverse loop GM. You guys know this. In the chain strap, I added a bandeau through it. Let me find out LV's watching me and taking some of my ideas and my designs and they're not paying me. Unless they already did this before. But I haven't seen this before, guys, okay? I know I did it and I posted it. So let me know. Because if LV's watching me and you guys are taking stuff from me, you better run me a check. It's boss bagging season. Run me my money. Okay? But anyways, I am here to let you guys know this is something I do have my eye on. If I am to go and move forward with a cousin, it's either going to be black. I absolutely love the cream, but the way my life is set up, I will destroy that, okay? But the black cousins, very beautiful. I love the gold hardware on it, and this is absolutely amazing. But of course, again, they are going to charge us for this bandeau, so this cousin most definitely is going to be a tad bit higher. Moving on, we also have a yellow cousin that's coming out. Again, we are moving into spring with this handbag here. So if you are a fan of the color yellow, it's coming out in the cousin. I really can't see this in my collection, but if you can, get ready because it's coming out. And I also want to speak on this. I'm sure if I showed you guys this in the past video, but this is going to be in the Damier Alicious collection. And this is a loop handbag. I think I showed you guys this. But in this same print, in this same color, we are also receiving a side trunk, okay? So we are receiving a side trunk in this color, in the blue color, and also in the Damier Azure color as well. So just look out for this. And like I said, I heard it's supposed to be more colors as well. And we are also receiving some SLGs. I cannot wait until that collection just unfolds so I can actually see what's coming out. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of the Damier Azure print. I'm not even going to be a fan of these different colors because I know me and I know how I handle certain handbags in my collection. But I just want to see all of the colors. I am just hoping, guys, we receive a Damier Ebene side trunk. I really, really want that print. A Damier Ebene side trunk is going to blow me away since they are not giving us a reverse monogram side trunk in the MM size. You guys know we are still waiting on the PM size. We are forced to purchase. But just picture a Damier Ebene print in the side trunk with gold hardware. With that dark chocolate, strap. It is going a carefree handbag that I most definitely wouldn't mind seeing in my collection. I just wanted to point that out. I'm not even sure if it's coming out. But hey, we are receiving so many side trunks. You never know what LV is going to create. Okay, and so I want to speak on this. If you are a fan of the Vanity PMs, we also have them coming out in this leather here, also in cream, and also in black. I would love to see the Vanity PM in different colors in leather, like the beautiful pink. I will go for a baby powder, like light pastel pink. I want to see the Vanity PM in different colors. I wouldn't even mind seeing it navy on navy. The Vanity PM navy on navy, but give me silver hardware. If you are going to do the Vanity PM, give me the color navy on navy with silver hardware. And yes, I just created that in my head. But just think about it. We honestly need more silver hardware on some of these handbags. I love gold. Oh man, I love gold. I am a shiny gold lover. But on certain handbags, I think LV missed the mark when it comes to the hardware. Especially on some of the navy on navy as well. I'm just putting it out there. So just picture a navy on navy. Let's do unprint leather. Vanity PM with silver hardware. That will be absolutely beautiful and breathtaking. Oh my gosh. Okay, so guys, let me know how you feel. about any of these things I spoke on today? Are you interested? Are you a big fan of the Kusin? And I also want to say a lot of the Capucine handbags that were coming out that I saw in the lookbook, they are actually being canceled as well. So I'm not sure why some of these handbags are not passing production, but they're not, and they are being canceled. And I am noticing that it's some of the leather handbags, and I'm just thinking about everything that's been canceled, guys. Some of the leather handbags and not a lot of the canvas, okay? So we got to watch out for that. Before I end this video, I told you guys about the correction with the Speedy 20 in the navy bicolor. This now puts me in a hard, tight spot because I'm like, okay, we have the Diane handbag, which I don't have any Diane handbags in my collection. I'm not sure how a Diane handbag will look with the bicolor print. That's the only thing I'm afraid of. Even with the Speedy 20, I'm not a huge fan of the large LV print on smaller handbags. And since we know that the Speedy 20 is going to come with the large LV print, I have some thinking to do, even with the Diane handbag. I went on the website this morning and I actually love the Diane handbag in black upfront leather. But I am so full of black upfront leather handbags in my collection. So I am kind of torn right now. It's either the Diane handbag or the Speedy 20. You guys let me know how you feel. If they keep that bandolier strap on the Diane handbag, it's the Diane handbag. I mean, there's no talking, no second guessing about it. But if they change it, like I said, some changes are going to be made. If they do change it and they add a guitar strap, I'm still not going to be upset with a navy guitar strap. You guys understand? That is going to be something different, and I actually can use that strap. I love the color navy, but I know for sure I have to get something from this collection. I just don't know what, but I have to get something. I don't know if it's going to be navy on navy or if it's going to be navy bicolor, but I don't want a navy Neverfull MM. I'm okay with my black upfront leather. I want something different to add to my collection. So you guys, let me know how you feel about any of these handbags I spoke on today. Some of you guys are kind of torn. You don't know if you want the black mini bum bag, I see you guys, or the navy bicolor. I know those are the two that I was torn against. But of course, the black you can wear with anything. You can get more out of the black. And guys, you honestly can use this as an everyday bum bag. You actually can. I showed you everything that fits inside the canvas mini bum bag. But if we have the leather, we have a little bit more room we can work with. You know, we can kind of stretch it out a little bit and play with it. So the black most definitely is the goal for me, okay? So we have so much going on. I need to do a 2024 wish list. I really do, because it's too much going on and it's too much that I want. So guys, let me know how you feel. What are you looking at? I mean, February the 1st is like a couple of days away. Pre-orders are opening. I'm excited. So guys, as always, stay safe, stay blessed until next video. And don't forget about your Boss Bag and C's and hoodies that are on the website at www.marquitagreathouse.com. Thank you guys for the love and the support. I really do appreciate you. Mwah. Bye-bye.